Okay guys, super excited. Kathryn Jones here, coming at you with a little bit of, well, we're just gonna talk about some things. We have some hater comments. I have some comments on the hater comments. It's gonna be great. Long story short though, if you wanna learn how to explode your business, this is how it works. And if you want something at the end to help you to do it, stick around, I'll tell you how to do it, okay? Here's the thing, we have someone angry. This is a comment from, I think, an ad. Can't be sure, they come from everywhere these days, you know what I'm saying? And it's from our friend Tristan, and this is what he says. Are you ready? Hater comment, here he comes. Tristan. It's like, why are you trying to get me down? I'm in Mexico right now. That's okay though. We're gonna help him, okay? Tristan, this is stupid. Never do hourly for one-on-one to social media management. Isn't a skill. Managing a group or PAG and throwing up posts is not social media management. True social media management is a professional service that brings on marketing, content creators, videographers, copywriters, post scheduling, etc. A VIA can make more becoming a closer. But selling social media manager is and you know it. Social media marketing is an entire business model, and most people can charge $2,000 to $10,000 a month. You and the client lose when you do hourly. Okay, so it's like, first of all, well, there's a lot of English that we got to work through with that one, but I think ultimately what our boy Tristan's trying to say is, well, I think he learned about this concept of design hacking, that you can present stories that convert through funnels. And I think he's upset when I am trying to tell him that you literally can earn, it is such a lucrative skill set, and you can earn a lot of money, more than social media management, when you know how to do this effectively. Now, here's one thing that I want to talk about with this whole concept of like social media management, funnels. Oh, I don't care what you do. It literally doesn't matter what you do. What I want to show you is how do you actually present your services in a way that will do really amazing things. And so honestly, do you want to know how to do it? Where it's like you and your client lose when you do hourly. I actually totally agree with that, Tristan. Let's be friends about that, homeboy, okay? One of the easiest transitions that you can make in your business to really become a value-based business, okay, is in a business that people just trust so much, is if you start doing value-based pricing instead of hourly pricing. Let me give you an example. If somebody comes to you and is like, hey, I want to sell an online course, you're like, great, how much are you charging for it? They're like $1,000. You're like, awesome, how many units do you want to sell in the next year? They're like 100. So you're like, okay, so you want to sell 100 courses at $1,000. You have a $100,000 problem. They're like, yes, right? And rather than charging hourly, you can say, cool, how much are you willing to pay to fix a $100,000 problem? 10%? Paying $10,000 to fix a $100,000 problem seems to make a lot of sense in my mind. And so you start to play this value-based pricing model rather than an hourly one. And I think, like our boy Tristan said, there's a lot of confusion about what you do and how you do it. Literally, I don't care what you do. My concept is how you do it. Do you actually present stories that convert? You can apply design hacking, how to present stories that convert, to a funnel. You can apply it to copy. You can apply it to social media. You can apply it to Instagram posts. You can apply it to Facebook Lives. You can apply it to Instagram stories. You can apply it to vlogs, as we're doing here, right? There's so many ways to apply design hacking. I care more about how you do it rather than what you actually do, because these concepts and the frameworks that fit inside of design hacking will help you, again, to present stories that convert. And when your story becomes their story, then your solution becomes their solution. So that's number one. And the second thing is, literally, I try to pull people away from hourly all the time, because when you do have a skill set like design hacking helps you make other people money, or helps you make you money. And when you have a skill set that helps other people make money, oh my gosh, how powerful are you? And you no longer have to play this hourly by hourly game, but rather you can say, hey, you have a $100,000 problem. I actually am sitting on the frameworks, hashtag design hacking, that will get you to be able to fix that $100,000 problem. Are you willing to pay a percentage for that? So, Tristan, we're sorry that you're mad. Tristan, I don't care what you do with social media, as long as you apply design hacking to it, it's gonna be great. Next, I totally agree with Tristan as well. Listen, I don't know where it got lost in the translation, Tristan. It feels like you and I are on the same team here. So if you ever want to come down, price is right, come hang out with us in the world of design hacking. Hourly based pricing is fine. What's cooler though is when you start playing the game of value based pricing. Start charging for the type and size of problems that you're going to be able to solve, and design hacking includes the frameworks that will help you to do that. So if you want to learn more about that, click the link. We have something for you. We talk about stuff like this all the time. It's on my free Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. Other than that, guys, listen, I have a pool to get to, so see you later.